You've cried rivers in the dark, thought you lost the spark, but I see you, every shattered part. You've been fighting ghosts alone, tearing flesh from bone, but I'd carry you if it breaks my soul. I know your silence like a song, every pause where you've been strong. I've held the weight you hide from the world, like a promise etched in stone. I never asked you to be whole, just to let me hold what's broke. And still I stay when the sky comes down like rain. When you're drowning in the pain, I'll be the air you breathe again. Even if you push me away, I'll love you more the longer I wait. I'm not here for the easy days, I'm here to stay. Still I stay, still I stay. You think you're hard to love, but darling, you're just scarred enough to show me what true beauty is. Not perfect, but strong enough to trust. And I'll be the voice at 2 a.m. when your heart won't let you rest. Let the world fall out of frame, let the noise all turn to flame. You're the reason I still believe that broken things can still be saved. You don't have to stand alone, lean on me, I'm not letting go. Still I stay, through the fire, through your rage, through the nights you curse my name. I'll never walk away, even when it hurts to breathe. I'll give you all that's left of me. Love's not meant to run or fade. So still I stay, still I stay.
You don't have to be fearless, you just have to be real. I'll be the shelter when you're too tired to feel.
So fall if you must, I'll catch every piece. Still I stay when the world forgets your face, when the light begins to fade. I'll be your last flame. Even if forever bends, I'll love you past the bitter end. I was made to walk this way with you. So stay.